If you're a manufacturing manager or a maintenance manager and you've identified a need for automation and technology because your current solutions or your current processes aren't cutting it, what are the next steps you'd recommend for searching out a solution as a leader in maintenance software?
Yeah, yeah. So for maintenance software leaders in general, I'll maybe start a little more general than that, right? I mean, here's the reality: you're going to do a lot of online research right out of the gate, right? You're going to go on, you're going to look at demos. We used to live in a world, right, where the sales guy had to come out with a physical demo and show you and leave a bunch of catalogs behind. That is not the world we live in right now. If I'm a maintenance leader, I'm going to go online and I'm going to look at the options that are out there, right? As you know, as someone with Fix, I hope Fix makes that list, right? We've got a nice website where you can find the stuff pretty easily, look at a demo and things like that. But hey, that's the reality of it. I don't think you need to even coach someone to say, "Hey, are you going to look online first?" Of course you're going to look online and videos first. I always say back to your community comment, right? Talk to your peers, figure out what's going on there. And then as you build that short list, that's probably at the point where you're going to start to reach out and talk to an expert that can fill in some of those remaining gaps, right? But I think if I'm looking at that, that's how I would search for a solution, right? But I want to go back to one of the other points I made. It's like, hey, at the end of the day, a CMMS platform like Fix, it's a tool, right? But make sure you've got the right processes and the right people with the right attitude to start using it if you're going to put it in place, right? It doesn't take a tool like that to start doing preventative maintenance tasks. You got to have those in place. And then when you implement a tool like that, that's where you can unlock a lot of power because you already had the right behaviors.